Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Raypak brand pool heater and it's giving you an HL1 error code and you're trying to figure out what that is and what you need to do to fix it. So the HL1 error code is an overheating error code. So if the high limit has exceeded 135 degrees Fahrenheit, it will give you this error. So some of the things that can cause it and what to do is, possible excessive water temperature in the tube bundle. And once the heater cools, the high limit error will reset automatically. You want to check for any blockage in the tubes that will not allow the water to clear out, so that it just gets hotter and hotter. And again, the same thing, if you have low water flow, this water will get too hot because it's not moving through. Then you can check the unitherm governor and replace that if necessary. You can also check the bypass assembly and replace the spring or the bypass completely if necessary. But anyways, I hope this video helped figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.